Okay, here's George and Gracie. George is having a little snack on some corn. And there's Gracie with her broken wing. Poor Gracie. Yes, we're going to get you some help, Gracie. She's getting along okay. Dragging that wing. Yes, and there's George. Yep. It's Tuesday, about 9:30. All right, we're going to see if we can get Gracie some help. Say goodnight, Gracie. Gracie, you gonna walk for people? Show 'em how you can still walk, huh? You're so pretty. Gorgeous. Gracie. And here's George. George is chowing. Gracie didn't eat that much. Gracie prefers grass. It's okay, George. George is so handsome. Gracie, we hope we can help you get you fixed.